AI in medicine and healthcare. Can Google AMIE truly replace human physicians? Can AI really replace human doctors? Well, in today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI in medicine. Specifically, we'll explore Google's AMIE AI system, a cutting-edge tool designed to support doctors. Is AI a revolutionary breakthrough in healthcare, or just another overhyped tech trend? Let's find out. What is AMIE? AMIE stands for Articulate Medical Intelligence Explorer. It's an AI system developed by Google with a clear goal to help doctors make better decisions. But here's the thing. AMIE isn't just another chatbot you casually message online. This AI can analyze complex medical data, like X-rays, MRIs, ECGs, and more, to assist with diagnoses, and it doesn't do it alone. It leverages powerful AI models like Gemini 2.0 to make sense of everything it sees. How does AMIE work? AMIE is designed to collect and interpret patient data. It starts by gathering things like medical history, symptoms, and medical images. Think of it as a digital assistant that helps doctors understand what's going on. And just like a real doctor, AMIE asks follow-up questions, refining its insights as it learns more about the patient's condition. AMIE's strengths. So what makes AMIE stand out? Speed. AMIE is lightning fast. While a human doctor might need up to 3 hours to analyze thousands of radiology images, AMIE can do it in under 5 minutes. That's about 300 images per minute, something a team of radiologists would need hours to complete. It also pulls patient data from various sources in seconds, saving doctors valuable time. Accuracy. AMIE spots tiny patterns even the best trained eyes might miss. Take diabetic retinopathy. AMIE detects it in eye scans with 92% accuracy, compared to the average 70 to 85% for human doctors. Even more impressive, it's outperformed radiologists in detecting early-stage breast cancer, achieving a 98.6% accuracy rate versus 87.5%. Predictive power. Beyond diagnosis, AMIE can predict health risks. By analyzing a person's medical history, lifestyle, and genetics, it can forecast the likelihood of conditions like heart disease or cancer. In one case, it predicted a stroke with 98% accuracy, allowing intervention before the event occurred. Cost efficiency. AMIE also saves money. By automating repetitive tasks like image scanning, it reduces labor costs. Radiology processing, for example, can become 35% cheaper. Hospitals using AMIE report saving millions annually, while also speeding up care. Learning and adaptability. AMIE gets smarter over time. Its machine learning algorithms allow it to evolve and improve. In one trial, its diagnostic accuracy increased by 3% every month, just by learning from new cases and research. Error reduction. Fatigue leads to mistakes, but not for AMIE. In radiology, it's been shown to cut errors by 78%. Fewer wrong diagnoses means better outcomes and faster, safer treatment. Can AMIE replace human physicians? Despite its strengths, AMIE has limitations: emotion and intuition. AMIE processes data, not feelings. Doctors rely on empathy, experience, and human intuition, things no algorithm can replicate. Complex decisions and surgeries. AMIE might assist with diagnosing conditions, but it can't handle the complex decisions involved in surgeries or multi-layered treatments. Personal connection. Healthcare is deeply human. AMIE can't offer the comfort or emotional support that patients often need during hard times. Lack of common sense. AMIE operates within its data. It lacks the broader, common-sense reasoning that doctors use to see the bigger picture. Bias in training data. And like all AI, AMIE is only as good as the data it learns from. If trained on biased or incomplete data, it could make flawed or even harmful decisions. The future of AMIE and AI in medicine. Looking ahead, AMIE and AI in general is only going to get better. As technology advances, these tools will become more precise and more predictive. But here's the truth. AI is not here to replace doctors. It's here to empower them. Imagine a future where doctors and AI work side by side, with machines handling the data and humans making the final call. That's the kind of partnership that could revolutionize healthcare. Ethical and trust considerations. But we can't ignore the ethical questions. Who controls the data? Can we ensure privacy and security? And perhaps most importantly, would you trust an AI with your health? Many patients still prefer human interaction, and for good reason. It's one thing to get a diagnosis, it's another to feel heard, understood, and cared for. Conclusion. To sum it all up, AMIE is an incredible tool, fast, accurate, and constantly improving. But it's not here to replace doctors, at least not yet. Human expertise, compassion, and judgment are irreplaceable. AI may change how doctors work, but it won't change why they work. And that's what really matters. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think AI could ever replace doctors? Or will the human touch always be essential in healthcare? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more insights into AI, healthcare, and future tech. Share this with anyone curious about what's next for medicine. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.